Now let's take a look at this figure 22-10. It deals with cooking equipment loads that fall in column B to table 220.55. And then notice, let's just get to the calculation. What is the demand load in VA for an 8 3/4 kW oven? Now applying step 1, column B to table 220.55 in that column for this size unit would give us 80%. So 80% of 8.75 kW is 7 kW. Again, to get rid of the K, we use 1,000, so 7 kW times 1,000 would be 7,000 VA when we can convert it to VA like the NEC requires us to do. So the demand load would be 7,000 VA. The range size you see is 8 3/4 kW, which puts us in the column B, and we're figuring the 7,000 VA for the service as well as for the branch circuit, and that's what this figure 22-10 is illustrating to the user of the NEC.